Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Welcome to day 2 of our just weekend getaway.
Yeah.
Relaxing weekend getaway. Yeah, we're just going to grab some breakfast, to go swimming again.
Yep.
Chill, relax, and have some fun. Come join us.
Won't you?
So, breakfast here at the Sheraton in Cuyahoga Falls is at Beau's on the river. We're gonna go down there and grab some buffet. Bacon, sausage, potatoes, an omelet with bacon, sausage, and onions. You got the same thing, only you got like everything in yours.
I had onions, peppers, spinach, and bacon. And cheese.
It's a nice buffet. I don't know if we'll show you the buffet or not. We'll just show you like the different things we get. But they have everything up there.
Yeah.
I love this restaurant. And why I love it so much is because the view right outside your window. Yay! So while we're eating, I think you could check out the view for a little bit.
Yeah.
Round 2, splitting an omelet. I got some fruit here, some more potatoes. The potatoes are amazing.
They are good.
Love the potatoes.
I got some fruit.
You got some fruit. You got
berries.
What do you got? You got a muffin there, some bread there. They have eggs if you want like eggs. They'll make them any way you want them. They'll make you pancakes. They'll make you pretty much anything you want.
Oh, wow.
This is a great buffet.
Yeah, it is.
We'll let you know the price because I haven't figured it out yet, but I'm sure it's a lot. Well, guys,
Yeah.
I ate way too much.
It was so good.
Everything was so good.
The
Oh my gosh.
potatoes, probably my favorite.
The omelet was great.
Omelet
The
was
waffle
amazing.
was good.
The waffle was.
pancake, which we didn't show you guys, was even better.
I didn't have any of the pancakes.
Yeah, we went out for round 3. Sorry, we didn't show you that, but we did. It was great, delicious. It was $16 a person, kind of expensive. I don't know if I ate $16 worth of food, but it is a hotel restaurant.
It's a fancy hotel restaurant.
So yeah, you know, sounds about right. It's like paying theme park prices, I guess.
Pretty much, yeah.
Now we need to lose some weight. To do that, we're going to do some swimming, which again was the whole reason we came here. So
I know.
we're going swimming again.
I can't wait.
Switching to the GoPro. We'll see you down there. May not record much, but you know.
I don't feel like we recorded much last time either.
Yeah, but the whole point's not to like record every last second in the pool. The whole point
No.
is to relax and have fun, which we're doing.
Which I'm enjoying.
Yes. So we'll see you down at the pool.
Yeah.
Honey bunny.
Yeah.
The pool is cold. Feels like colder than yesterday.
I think it's feels about the same. I thought it was
Does
cold
it?
yesterday.
Oh no, it was warmer yesterday. So to combat the coldness, we came into the sauna
Yeah,
to heat ourselves up.
it's getting there.
It's a dry sauna, so not a steam sauna. It's getting warm, slowly.
Yeah,
Then maybe after this we will go to the hot tub.
maybe.
I am getting a little bit sick, so I'm hoping this like steams the sickness out of me.
But it's not a steam.
Smoke, heat the steam out of me. Whatever. Leave me alone.
I love you.
Love you too. Honey,
Burr.
we're already done swimming.
We are.
Just like that.
I know.
Well, we went in there, and then by the time we got out of the sauna, there was some kids in there. I don't like filming other people's kids.
No.
Then some lady came in and decided to blast some kind of music on her phone and start singing to it while in the hot tub.
And very loudly.
Very loudly.
Everything echoes in there.
Yeah. Don't do that. Like, it's a public area. Don't blast your music
I don't
and
want to hear
sing.
it.
Yeah. So, We still enjoyed ourselves.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Very nice in the pool. Then we went in the hot tub, sat there for like a half hour.
I know,
it was great.
So nice.
Now we have to get ready to start cleaning the room, taking showers, thinking about packing it up and leaving.
I don't wanna. I'm
But we
having
have
such a
to.
relaxing night.
I know, and it's a day, not night.
That's okay. Whatever.
Okay.
I don't know what it is. Day, night. Who knows?
Go take a shower and I'll relax more.
No.
No, I'll take my shower. You relax more. So showers were had, relaxation happened. Now we're wrapping up our day here. We're almost getting ready to check out, but I figured we'd do a quick room tour real quick. I don't want to make this video about like the room or anything or the hotel. It's about relaxation.
Right.
But it is a suite. There is a little like nook over here with a microwave, coffee maker, refrigerator down there. Living room's nice. Computer's nice. I love this light. This light is the best light I've ever like had on a work desk. I love it.
I'm glad you like it.
Lots of plugs.
Yes, that works.
TV. The bedroom is a bedroom. It's a king size bed. The TV, of course, has this nice view of the falls, which you really can't see because it's so steamed up today. I was really hoping to show you more of the falls. We might go outside and try to find some, but all the areas that like where you get next to the falls are roped off because it's slippery out.
It's icy.
It is. Come around here. You got a bathtub. You got a toilet. A sink. Nice big counter. Kristen loved that. A closet. Ironing board. And then we're back to the beginning. Super simple. One bedroom suite.
That was very
It
good.
was very comfortable. I really liked it. Good art too. You know how I like my art.
Yeah.
Not as good as the past I've seen. But still good. Okay, that's a wrap. We're gonna go down the hall. We'll show you a quick view of the lobby. We're not gonna walk you around the lobby. It's so pretty. We'll kind of point things out and then we'll check out and go from there.
Yep.
So here we are on the second floor just to check out the lobby real quick. All the way to the left where those kids are playing. There are a lot of kids here this weekend because the soccer club is here. There's a sitting area next to them in this corner. Up at the top-ish is a check-in. These stairs lead down to the restaurant, either Bayou or Bayou on the river. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. Right in the middle of the screen now is the entrance. Over here we have the business center, and that's about it. This hallway over here leads to the convention area, and if you turn over there, next to the desk there's a little market area, and that hallway there leads to the pool if you go down a level. So yeah, that's kind of it in a nutshell. Again, I don't want to make this video all about the hotel. It's about relaxation. My other problem is, as the day's going on and on, I'm getting stuffier and stuffier. I am getting sick again. I really thought I had this all figured out. I don't. Not at all. I am coming down with something, which sucks. But I'll fight through it.
It's freezing in our car.
I can't breathe out of my nose. Okay, we may have said we were going to go try to check out the falls. Yeah, I ain't doing that. I'm already sick. It is 17 degrees out.
Yep.
Nope. What we are going to do is go hit a couple stores real quick, just look around, things that, you know, may be different here than back home. Probably won't even record any of that.
Probably not.
We'll probably see you on the road back home. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, hello guys. I made it home. Barely, I think. I think I almost died on the way home. No, I definitely took a nap on the way home. We ended up not going to any stores. We ended up not doing anything. We came right home. Kristen drove right home. I am miserable. I'm tucked up in my Avengers onesie. Unfortunately, I think this is going to wrap up this video. It took a turn for the worse quick. Boo. But that happens. It is what it is. I'm going to sit down, probably fall asleep again. I already fell asleep once after we came home. And we will talk to you tomorrow. I did have an awesome time.
I did too. I had a lot of fun.
I had a lot of fun. It was a very relaxing time. I'm glad I didn't get sick till like
The very end.
very end. You know, that was a blessing.
Right.
Okay, I'm gonna go try to breathe, and I'm gonna go watch some TV, and we will talk to you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.